So, hello and welcome for another episode, and let's jump to version 0.9. One of the best version ever, in my opinion. Android.com. Oh, I would like not to write that. If you do that, you will see a little surprise. But not today. Boom! See? Our first render ever. It's actually the title of this homepage, Android.com. You can see specifically here more. You see here. Cool. And same thing, just like an example, Spotify.com. See? Spotify will play music for everyone. What else should I tell you? Well, for example, it doesn't matter, but we can take it anyway. We go back, Android.com. For example, like if I go here again, you see this text would be also cool. I mean, all text would be cool to get rendered someday, but yeah, this is just the beginning, I hope, and not the end. And well, in order usual way, if you click F12, you see here's of course the maybe here is the Android secure exactly. Here is actually where it picks up the text in the HTML file. So you see there is a lot of text, and somewhere here is also the other text, and it's not gonna be easy to find out and pick out what needs to be picked out and previewed for you guys. Like if I click F12 again, I'm back. So yeah, and it's also good for you to know, if I click here, there's a bug. You will begin from scratch. Or if you want to see this as future, it's great. But well, let's not talk too much about that. And before we quit, I want to thank you all subscribers. We are number 3 this times. I remember when we had like version 0.6, we had 2. So yeah, it's going up. And that's all for today, and I want to thank you everyone. Okay, bye bye.